Hi everyone, this is the final maths video of the term. Today we're looking at different types of averages, and this is the aiming higher version. Now when we're talking about averages, there are different ways of presenting an average. The most straightforward of those is called the mode, and that's just finding the number that comes up the most. In this case, from the numbers 10, 5, 3, 9 and 3, I'll be saying, well, the mode is actually 3. It's because there are two 3's. It's the one that comes up the most. To find a median, I'd have to put the numbers in order, so I'd be going this 3, 3, 5, 9 and 10. And the median is the middle value, which in this case is 5. Now, if you had an even number of numbers, you'd have to take the middle two values and then find the average of those ones. The mean is what we call the true average. So if I was asked for the average, that's the same as saying I'm asked for the mean. And to work out that, I've got to add up all of the numbers and then divide, in this case, by 5, because there are 5 numbers. So here, the numbers add up to 30, and when I divide that by 5, because there are 5 numbers, that gives me an average of 6. And I can tell that 6 is about in the middle in terms of those numbers. Now, see if you can work out the mode, the median and the mean of these 5 numbers here. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so if I write the numbers out in order, I've got 4, 4, 9, 17 and 22. I can see the mode is obviously 4 because I've got two 4's and there's no other number that's repeated. The median, the middle value, is 9, and then to work out the mean I have to add all the numbers up. I actually went for the two 4's are 8, add that to 9 is 17, so two 17's gets me to 34, and add the 22, that gets me to 56. I have to do 56, and again I need to divide by 5 because there are 5 numbers, and that will give me 11 remainder 1, or 11 and a fifth, and of course I could present that as 11.2 because we know a fifth is the same as 0.2. Now finally, have a go at these two questions, pause the video, have a go at both, and then we'll look at the solutions. The second one's much harder than the first. Okay, so the key to answering the first question is recognising that if the mean of the three numbers is 10, then if I added those three numbers together, they would have to make 30. And then I just need to make sure that all the numbers are different. So for example, I might have a 10 in the middle, an 8 and a 12. I could of course go for a 1, a 2 and a 27. Because they'll have an average of 10, because when I add those three numbers up, it'll make 30, divide by 3, and that'll give me my average of 10. Now for the last question, first of all, I know that there's 5 numbers, so I often find it easier if I draw out 5 spaces, and then I can start filling them in. If I know that I've got a mode of 7, I know that I must have at least 2 7's. I'm going to put them this side, because I know the mean is higher, the mean is 9. The median is 8, so I know the one in the middle must be 8. Now, these numbers have a mean of 9. There are 5 numbers. If the average is 9, I know that the total of all 5 numbers must be 5 lots of 9, must make 45. Now, if I add up my 7 and my 7, 14, and 8, that's 22. So these two numbers here must make 23. And of course, they must be more than, each digit must be more than 8, otherwise they would kind of be on this side, and that would alter the median number. So the different combinations we could have 11 and 12 here. It could be 10 and 13, or it could be 9 and 14. And there's 3 different solutions. Well done for watching, everyone. Really enjoy the productions of Oliver, and have a great Christmas from everyone at Year 6.